Hello from Slovenia again. As you can see, today I have this split cup with 6, what is this, spaces, I don't know. And I have kind of rainbow colors. I have cadmium yellow, middle hue, cadmium orange, payroll red, Windsor violet, what is this, phthalo blue Amsterdam, and permanent green, middle hue. And I will pour my paints into this split cup, and I have 12 by 16 inch canvas today, so I will probably do 2 cups because it's obviously not square canvas, so I have some vision in my head, but again, you know how this goes with all these things. You have a vision in your head, but normally paint do its thing. So let's see what will happen. Some green. Okay, I didn't fill it all over to the top because, as I said, I will use 2 cups probably. I will fill it 2 times, I should say. So let's start. I will just tilt this one. I will put my spin table away and trying to grab a corner catcher kind of. Just a second. Just have to cut some cardboard. And I will go to this corner first and back. And move this to this side. Back and remove this. I will put it here and I will try to kind of walk a little bit to this side. I'm really glad that all these colors stayed. Let's go a little towards the middle again. This last corner. Remove my corner catcher and now I can see a little more to the middle. And then I will stare a little bit and trying to see what is going on. Maybe turn it that way and let's see, I want to tilt a little more of this off. And maybe just a little more of this corner, because I want to have this here. A little more of this, and now I'm done. And I'm happy with the composition and everything, so check my sides a little bit. Fine here. I will take you for a close-up because I'm done and I like it. Oh, sorry guys. Oops. My lights again. I will just turn them. Wow. I'm really happy with this painting. I wish that I would have this green like this, but you know how it is. You can't have all. But I really love this detail here. And again, this is purple, not blue. I really love this part, really do. And this one too. So many beautiful details. I'm not quite sure which way I like it more. I don't know. Maybe even that way. I don't know, but pretty much happy with this. Still I have some thinkings in my head that maybe I would do differently next time, but still I really love this painting. And sorry if my camera is shaking, but this is really hard thing to do, to have your hand steady for so long. So tell me what you think about this rainbow kind of split cup pour, straight pour, and see you on the next one. Bye.